Alright, first time towing with the Blazer EV 2025, and the kilowatts it's pulling, well, that's good there because they're going downhill, but it's been about 50 kilowatts pulling, so it's stating 1.1, but I do have the trip number 2 set, so we'll be able to see what the efficiency is towing this camper. Towing with the Blazer EV, just towing a 2,300 pound trailer camper with, has electric brakes on there. We do have the auto brake package on the camper, so it can use the 4-way pin that is on the Blazer EV and stuff. So, but it's using Super Cruise and it's towing just fine. Did tow with the Equinox EV, and what I'm noticing is the Blazer EV is using about 10 more kilowatts of power to go down the road than the Equinox EV did with the same camper. So, but we're heading to Duluth to do some camping overnight, and I'll take a few more shots. Alright, had to drop the trailer to use the Tesla station, but we're ramping up here. Kilowatt speed 182, so 183. It's not too bad, and that's at 41%, so 184 on the Tesla station at 41%. So, all right, we'll sit here for a bit. Nice and easy, easy peasy. Alright, on I-35, just had the cruise set at 65, Super Cruise, working good. It's towing fine. So just got done charging at the Tesla supercharger. So I'll have those numbers in there, but yeah, it looks like about 1.1 miles per kilowatt hour towing, which again is about the same as when I towed with the Equinox EV. And also the Silverado EV RST, when I towed with that, was right around 1 to 1.1 kilowatt or miles per kilowatt hour. So interesting, it doesn't seem to matter what you tow with, it just seems to get that kind of range. So alright, getting close to our camping destination, Spirit Mountain. Road closed 2.1 miles ahead.
Continue on West Skyline Parkway for 3/4 of a mile.
Oh good, it's not 2.1 miles at least anyway, so. Alright. I'll set up at the campsite. Heading into town to get some supplies for camping. We forgot the blankets and pillows. So, Walmart, next stop in Superior, Wisconsin. Alright, stopped at Walmart for some supplies and packed them all in there. Hey, look, 2 dogs. How you guys doing, huh? You guys going camping? We going camping? Yeah. We'll let you out soon. Alright. At the top of Spirit Mountain, this is where we're camping at, looking down into Duluth. and a little walk through downtown Duluth.